this is Samantha here from RecipeThis.com and the voice behind the popular Kitchen Gadgets podcast, Magic with Gadgets. Today I want to show you how to cook air fried chicken breasts, and today I'm going to show you how to flavour it up with a curry version, and it's just so moist, so delicious and just perfect for meal times. So the cheapest way of doing this is to marinate it in the paper liner, or you can put it into a bowl, a plastic bowl in the fridge, and have your chicken marinated so it's ready to go. It's just totally up to you what you do. So I've got some paper liners here. So I'm just going to move this beautiful book out the way because I don't want it getting damaged. So if you've not done so already, don't forget to order yourself a copy of Air Fry Easy Every Day, which does have a full chapter dedicated to meal prep, which is brilliant for learning a few shortcuts and making air fry cooking even easier for you. So the air fryer I'm using here is my Philips air fryer. I've got several air fryers, so you know it's fine for a basket air fryer, or if you're using something like a Joule, you can have one batch in each drawer. So there we go, let you have a better look at it there. And then what you can do is you can just add some chicken breast, pour over some marinade, and then let it do its magic. So, oh, that's a big breast. I'm not going to do that really big one in my pack because it will alter the cook time. Always aim for just doing multiples of small breasts, medium breasts or large, because otherwise you'll end up with some over and some under. So now I'm just going to give my hands a quick wipe. And I'm doing 3 chicken breasts here. You might think, oh, that's an odd amount, you know, I'm not feeding 3. But it's great because remember it's sliced up, so it's more having a snack on the go for your fridge. So let's start. Salt, pepper, and then you didn't see that off screen, but I nearly dropped the pepper on the floor. And then I've got this curry marinade. And then I'm just putting 2 spoonfuls here because then I've got a little bit more left for some other raw chicken I'm cooking. And then I normally get my hands in. It's the easiest way. And then give it a good mix round. It's nice and thick as well as this. And then you'll end up with quite a lot stuck to your hands, so try and brush some of it off your hands, and then you can have more of it on your chicken, and then give the chicken a good coating there with it, and then wash the hands. And now it's time to go on. So I would say these chicken breasts are more like a medium rather than a small or a large. So this kind of size I would consider to be a medium. So I'm going to go with 20 minutes at 180 Celsius. And 180 Celsius, like I mentioned, 20 minutes. You can turn it halfway through if you prefer. But I find that the chicken, that if you put it bottom up, if you like, tends to be better. So the best side of the chicken breast down, and then it keeps it more moist underneath then. So then press start. Did you know that we have a free air fryer mini course? It runs for 5 days, is delivered by email, covers 5 important air fry beginner topics, and includes a free PDF and free recipes. Simply head over to RecipeThis.com and search mini course for full details. And we've beeped, so let's check on our chicken, shall we? Oh, and wow, this chicken looks fantastic. But is it cooked? So I recommend a thermometer so much for the air fryer. And you can also use it to check the internal temperatures of cakes as well for other things that you're cooking in the air fryer. So I'm just checking to see if this is hit over 70, and yep, it's still climbing past 74, so we're good. Just check another bit. Yep, again. And then always go for the bit that's got more height to it, because it's harder to get those bits cooked in the middle. And again, yeah, that's over 70 as well, but it's always that worry in case it's not quite there. So this is what the chicken looks like when you do the yogurt chicken in the air fryer. It just makes it so moist and so delicious. So now I'm going to grab a chopping board and we can check it out. I'm going with a bigger chopping board here so I can properly show you it. It just makes it so moist and so delicious. So now I'm going to grab a chopping board and we can check it out. So grab a bit of your chicken. Oh, and that's what the other side of it looks like. It just looks so amazing. Oh, and I can smell it. It's like being in a curry house. And then what you can do, an easy way, is to use the knife to remove it from the air fryer, and it stops you burning yourself. And then of course with the yogurt ones, it can really stick to the air fryer paper liner, but as you can see, all the mess in the air fryer, instead of you having to have a big clean out job of your air fryer. Bigger knife for the job. So this is the chicken, and you just want to thinly slice it. Oh, it's so moist, it's amazing. I mean, look at that chicken, isn't it fantastic? Right, and what I actually find useful is to have a fork, because what happens is I get so eager and starving hungry when I've just cooked some chicken in the air fryer, and I can never be bothered for it to wait for it to cool down. So the fork is brilliant because it stops your fingers from touching it and thinking, oh my god, that chicken's too hot for my hands. I mean, wasn't that easy compared to buying it prepped? You know, a quick marinade. It can even be a marinade that you forgot about. You know, when you buy these little sachets of marinades. Like, your Chinese ones are absolutely brilliant for it as well. You know, your little bottles of teriyaki sauce that needs using up and all those kind of ones. And like I say, this is brilliant for packed lunches as well, take to work, obviously your snack bags. But of course, if you are making snack bags with it, you need the chicken to completely cool before you start filling it into bags. So I'm just going to allow that to cool down a bit. Oh, and I just have to have some. Oh, I'm not kidding when I say a yogurt marinade is just so amazing in the air fryer. Oh, honestly. And also in our cookbook we also have a Greek version with yogurt, so if curry's not your thing, then you could swap it for that. So many different ones you can do, and then you can just slice up your chicken like this, and it's just absolutely amazing, and I'm sure you're going to love it. So I'm just going to wait for it to cool down, and then we can store it for later. Have you checked out Air Fryer Easy Everyday yet? It's our brand new air fryer cookbook, following on from the success of the complete air fryer cookbook. It has over 140 everyday air fryer recipes for you to follow along with at home in your air fryer. Perfect for different types of air fryers too, as it covers the air fryer oven, basket and dual air fryers, as well as some fun recipes if you're cooking for one. So what you're waiting for? Go and order yourself a copy now and you will not be disappointed. It's from 12 years of air frying. And thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to follow us on Pinterest, Facebook, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and of course, you can also find us on TikTok. But best of all, head over to recipethis.com/newsletter to join our weekly newsletter. And I'm Sam, and thanks again for watching.